Alright guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use image element. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, click on this element option and then all the elements will appear. So you have to do is simply drag and drop this image element on your page, and then you can see our image element is placed on our page. So now for editing and modifying it, here on the right side you can see the more options will appear. So here in the top you can see the content, style and advanced tabs. So in the content tab you can see the image section where you have an option to upload image from your computer. Or on the other hand you can see the free images section where you can choose the image for your page. Once you choose your image, then here on the bottom you can see the update button. So simply click on it and then here you can see our image is applied. And now if you want to change or delete this image, so you can easily do this from here. And also you can change the image name from here. After that, here you can set your image size, and below that you can edit the link by using a media file or custom URL. So now let's move to the style tab, in which you can see the alignment option. So you can easily edit your image alignment left, center and right. And below that you have an option to set the image width, max width and height by using these sliders. And if you want to reset the image size, you can easily reset it by clicking on this reset value option. After that, you have the image fit option, in which you can choose fill, contain, cover and scale down. After that, you have an option to add a little hover animation to your image, and below that you have an option to set your image opacity. After that, you have the CSS filter option, in which you can edit blur, brightness, contrast, saturation and hue. And below that you have box shadow, so these could be used as some soft shadow to your images. And then finally we have the border option, as the name described, in which you can edit border style. You can also check the advanced tab, in which you can see some more options that you can use for your image if you like. So this is how you can use the image element. So please make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and thanks for watching.